Fancy living here overlooking the breathtaking city view and feel like you're on top of the world? My name is Eirene from Orange Tea and Thai, and we're here to show you the 4-bedroom duplex penthouse at Vista Residences, where urban living inspired by high life. This freehold development is located in central region of Singapore at the heart of Novena District 12, whereby you can enjoy the convenience and easy accessibility of modern amenities in the city. For your daily provisions and local food delights, Zhongshan Mall and Balestier Market is just 5 minutes walk away. This 2238 square feet open layout penthouse has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 3 of which comes with attached ensuite. This is where practicality and luxury blends into perfection. Every space is effectively planned out, whether it is the living, dining, or the kitchen. Going up to level 2, you will find a generous size master suite that fits a king-size bed. The master room also brings you to your lovely balcony where you can relax with a glass of wine while admiring the changing dynamics of Singapore's skylines. This huge adjoining room can be easily recreated into 2 smaller bedrooms if you have more family members. The owners had put in a lot of effort and thought into fitting out and decorating this cozy home. The usual wasted space of the bay windows have been cushioned up for you to snuck in a quiet reading corner or double up as a work-from-home desk. Well, we have the location, good size, beautiful scenery outside, and an extravagant design packed into this 4-bedder duplex penthouse. Call me if you need more information of this beautiful home.